Indian troops, in their continued acts of state terrorism, martyred 10 Kashmiris, including a woman, during the last month of May, according to the data issued by the research section of Kashmir Media Service today. Of those martyred, 4 youth were killed in fake encounters or in custody during the period. Indian police and the paramilitary personnel during house raids and cordon and search operations arrested 2,141 youth, including all parties Hurriyat Conference, women leaders Zamruda Habib and Yasmeen Raja, while at least half a dozen people were injured due to the use of brute force, including bullet fire and blasts in the territory. All parties Hurriyat Conference Senior Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar has said that the shutdown in occupied Jammu and Kashmir and widespread protest in Azad Jammu and Kashmir and by the Kashmiri diaspora all over the world against G20 meetings in the occupied territory is a referendum against New Delhi's forcible occupation of Jammu and Kashmir. Ghulam Ahmad Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said it must serve as an eye-opener to the world, especially those countries who ignored Kashmiris' human rights and preferred materialistic and economic benefits. Indian troops arrested 2 youth in the Baramulla district. The troops, during a cordon and search operation, arrested the youth in Kreeri area of the district. A senior police officer, while confirming the detention of the duo, said the youth had been taken into custody for interrogation. Indian troops martyred a civilian in the Samba district. The civilian was killed near Mangu Chak border outpost in Samba. Indian Brutal Agency State Investigation Agency conducted raids in at least 3 districts of the Kashmir Valley. The sleuths of the State Investigation Agency carried out raids at 9 locations in 3 South Kashmir districts, an official said on Thursday. The SIA personnel involved in raids and search operations are accompanied by the police and the paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force. Protest demonstrations were held in Srinagar, Poonch and other areas against the anti-people policies of the occupation regime. According to Kashmir Media Service, people took to streets in Srinagar against the fleecing of the Kashmiri people in the name of installation of smart meters by the BJP regime. Modi-led Indian regime has allotted 1,99,550 more houses on Kashmiri's land to non-Kashmiri residents in the occupied Kashmir to upset the Muslim majority status of the territory on fast track. This is deemed as a major step towards a big demographic change in the territory. There is already growing resentment among the Jammu region. The move had triggered protests in Jammu in April.